welcome to the platform of Dear Academy. So today we will start with another topic, that is adverb. Earlier we have discussed about verb. I hope that video must be clear to all of you. Now what is adverb here? Adverb means, or adverb is something that qualifies verb or adjective, that modifies or that express about verbs and adjectives. एडवर्ब्स क्या होते हैं जो हमें वर्ब्स के बारे में, एडजेक्टिव के बारे में और ज़्यादा एम्फोसाइज करता है, मॉडिफाई करता है, क्लैरिफाई करता है कोई भी चीज़, दैट विल बी योर एडवर्ब. सो डेफिनेशन इज गिवन हियर. एन एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब्स अ वर्ब, एन एडजेक्टिव और अनदर एडवर्ब. It tells us how, where, when, how much and with what frequency an adverbs can tell. So ये हमें क्या बताता है, किसी भी सेंटेंस के बारे में बताता है. हाउ मतलब कोई भी चीज़ कैसे हो रही, कितनी हो रही, क्यों हो रही, जो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है. बेसिकली हम यही कह सकते हैं कि हमें एडवर्ब्स वो सारी चीज़ें होती है जो एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रही हैं अबाउट एडजेक्टिव एंड वर्ब्स. लेट्स टेक सम एग्जाम्पल. Suppose I am writing, she cooks. Again, what is cooks here is our verb. अब इसमें हम adverb जो है ऐड करना है हमें. So हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? She cooks. And how she cooks? She cooks tasty food. Now, tasty is here. What? It tells about verb. कि वर्ब कैसा है. कुक्स, हाउ, हमें यहाँ पे हाउ का आंसर मिल रहा है. तो एडवर्ब्स क्या हो जाते हैं जो हमारे हाउ, वेयर, व्हेन, हाउ मच, हाउ ऑफन, इन सारे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे रहा होता है. दैट विल बी योर एडवर्ब. यहाँ पे हमने देखा है शी कुक्स टेस्टी फूड. शी कुक्स व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड? टेस्टी. सो टेस्टी इज योर एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब मीन्स इट टेल्स अबाउट समथिंग वर्ब. अच्छा, एक और चीज हम यहाँ पे नोटिस करेंगे कि जो एडवर्ब होता है दैट ऑलवेज कम्स after verb or after main object. All right. Now let's take another example. Suppose I am writing, he is walking. All right. Now he is walking. Walking is your verb. Now if I am saying he is walking how, we have to know the manner of walking. I am saying he is walking slowly. He is walking slowly. Now, slowly defines what? The manner of actions. The person who is walking, at what manner he is walking? He is walking slowly or he is walking fast. So, adverbs tell about the verbs here. Suppose I am saying, Rita is laughing. Rita is laughing. Rita is laughing. How? How she is laughing? Now we are getting the answer of how again. So she is laughing loudly. So these are the examples of adverb. Adverbs mean, as I tell you, that qualifies or modifies verb or adjective. I hope this much is clear. So adverbs tells about the manner, time, and so many things we'll discuss. This is the definition, basic definition. Now let's come to the types of adverb. We will discuss each type of adverb one by one. We have adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, and adverb of affirmations. Okay, so we'll start with our first type, that is adverb of manner. What adverb of manner is? It indicates how a thing is happening, how a person is doing something. That will be your adverb of manner. At what kind you are performing an activity. This shows a performance or an activity which is being performed by a person. We have to know that how is performing that activity. That will be your adverb of manner. So an adverb of manner are words that provide more information about how an action is performed or how something is happening. Here, as it is written, that how, it always tells how. Suppose the baby slept. This is our the baby slept. Slept is again our verb. He's sleeping how? In what manner he's sleeping? He's sleeping peacefully. The baby is sleeping peacefully. Now, peacefully is our adverb. Again, there are some more examples. Gratefully. Gracefully. Gracefully means she walks. Here it is written she walks. She walks. Walks is again your verb. How he walks? We don't know. How? It always answers the question how. Adverb of manners always tells about how an activity is being performed. So she walks. She walks how? She walks gracefully. Now gracefully is your adverb because it tells about verbs. She walks, but the manner we don't know. In how manner she walks gracefully. So when something is added to verb, that will be your adverb. Here some more examples are given. Diligently. They work. They work diligently. He plays the guitar. Again, he plays the guitar. Plays is your verb. He plays the guitar. But how he plays the guitar? Most skillfully. He plays the guitar with most skillful. The children played. The children played how? Happily. Again and again, we are getting the answer of how. So, adverb of manner tells the manner in which way we are doing or performing any activity. So, this is your first type, that is adverb of manner. Here are some more examples. Now, let's discuss about the second type, that is adverb of time. Here, your adverb will always denote the time. Adverbs of time tell us something that happens, how long it lasts or how often it happens. They help us understand the timing of action or sentences. So, adverb of time, as its name suggests, we all know it talks always about the time. So, here it is given, I will call you tomorrow. Alright, I will call you. It is written, I will call you when? I will call you tomorrow. Here, time is mentioned. So, where time is mentioned, that will be your adverb of time. Again, we went to the park yesterday. All those sentences which are written here are indication of your adverb of time. Now, yesterday, today, tomorrow, soon, later, after, still, yet, recent. All these are examples of adverb of time. We can take an examples that she finishes her work. She finishes her work now. It indicates again the timing. So adverb of time represent the timing of doing or happening something. Here it is written, we went to the park. We went to the park when? Yesterday. We went to the park yesterday. Here we are getting the answers of when. In a previous type, we were discussing about how. Alright, here we are getting the answers of when. They always eat dinner. They always eat dinner when? Early. They always eat dinner early. Early is again your adverb. The train will arrive soon. The train will arrive when? Late, later, sooner. Here it is given, the train will arrive soon. He will start his new job next week. Again, next week is your adverb. I have already seen that movie. I have seen that movie. This is a normal complete sentence, but we have to put an adverb here. That is why we are using already. Already again is your time. I've already seen that movie. So it also indicates that I have seen that. I have watched that movie. I have seen that movie. So how we know? With the adverb. I hope this much is clear. Now let's move to the another type. That is adverb of place. So what is adverb of place? Where a place is indicated, where we are talking about any places, here, there, near, this, that, these are the indication of places. An adverb of place provides information about the location or position of an action or event in relating of the specific place. These adverbs provide clarity and valuable information about where something is happening or the direction in which an action is being performed. तो किसी भी place की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, that will be your adverb of place. कोई भी चीज कहाँ, कोई भी activity where we are performing an activity, that will be your adverb of place. Here, there, near, far, down, up, all this will comes under adverb of place. Here again it is given, she is waiting. She is waiting here. She is waiting. Waiting is your verb. Again, it here modifies always verb. Now it modifies verb. Here is your adverb. The book is over there. Book is where? Over there. The park is near our house. Where is the park? It is near our house. So near is your adverb. It is telling something about verb. The mountains are far away. Again, it is talking about the place, that the mountains are far away. Far is your adverb. She travels abroad for a study. She travels where? She travels abroad. Please go upstairs and check. Again, you are getting the answer of places. Where you need to go? Upstairs. Upstairs is your adverb. So in adverb of place, we will discuss or learn about the places. And here some more examples are given. You can take out, in, down, around, by, across, towards. These all comes under adverb of place. Now adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency क्या होती है? कोई भी चीज होती है, number of times, how many times we have performed that activity. कोई भी चीज कितनी बार perform हुई है, कितनी बार उसका occurrence हुआ, that will be your adverb of frequency. So usually क्या होता है, मतलब always से थोड़ा कम, मतलब हमेशा से ज्यादा, थोड़ा सा कम हो जाती है, जो हम ज्यादातर जो चीजें कर रहे होते हैं. Then generally we generally go to the sea for our holidays. Generally मतलब कैसा, यूजुअली क्या होगा, इससे ज्यादा जो चांसेस होती है, जो ज्यादा अकरेंस होती है, उसके लिए हम यूजुअली यूज करते हैं. उससे जो थोड़े कम चांसेस है, थोड़ी कम फ्रीक्वेंसी वाली चीजें होती हैं, हम उसके लिए जनरली यूज करते हैं. देन ऑफन मीन्स कभी कभी. इट इज गिवन, दे ऑफन वेंट कैरोलिंग एट क्रिसमस. सो ऑफन हम कब यूज करते हैं, जब कोई भी चीज बहुत कम टाइम हो रही, बहुत कम टाइम पे हम कर रहे होते हैं. ऑलराइट, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या डिनोट करती है? फ्रीक्वेंसी मीन्स हम कोई भी काम कितनी बार कर रहे हैं, इट शोज. तो एडवर्ब क्या होता है? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी में हम ये सारी चीजें ऐड करते हैं, जैसे ऑलवेज, यूजुअली, जनरली, ऑफन. दीज ऑल आर द थिंग्स व्हिच विल यूज इन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. The last one is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree मतलब how much. अभी हम लोगों ने फ्रीक्वेंसी पढ़ा, उसमें था कितनी बार हम कोई चीज कर रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे कितना हो रहा है, दोनों में डिफरेंस है. डिग्री बताता है कोई भी चीज कितनी हो रही, ज्यादा, कम, बहुत ज्यादा, जैसे हम बोलते हैं किसी भी चीज के लिए डिग्रीज में. सो एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री आर यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस हाउ मच or up to what extent we do something. We can be used before adjective verbs or other adverbs. So adverb of degree क्या बताता है? कोई भी चीज कितनी बार हो, कितना हो रही है, how much. उसकी क्वांटिटी कह लो आप, या नहीं, क्वांटिटी तो नहीं कह सकते हम, बट हम उसके लिए ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि कोई भी चीज कितनी हो रही है. यहाँ पे टाइम्स नहीं हम काउंट कर रहे, नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स हम उसमें काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो एग्जाम्पल्स क्या हो सकते हैं इसके? जैसे एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री में हम बेरली, शी बेरली 14 years old, कि वो इतनी की ही होगी लगभग, ऑलमोस्ट. Enormously, the show was enormously popular. Enough, the rope isn't long enough. कोई भी चीज ज्यादा या कम जब हम बता रहे हो, डिग्री मतलब क्या होता है, किसी भी चीज के लिए हम या तो ज्यादा बता रहे हूँ कि बहुत ज्यादा हो, या बहुत कम होगी, उसके लिए हम एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री यूज करते हैं. हार्डली, यू हैव हार्डली डन एनी वर्क. सो यू हैव, अगर हम यहाँ पे हार्डली हाइड कर ले तो क्या है? यू हैव डन एनी वर्क. यू हैव what? Done again is your verb. You have hardly done any work. Hardly is again your adverb. Incredibly, that was an incredibly weak answer. मतलब वो बहुत ही वीक था, कोई भी आंसर बहुत ज्यादा खराब था, तो बहुत ज्यादा बहुत कम जो बता रहा उस चीज को डिफाइन कर रहा होगा, दैट विल बी योर एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री. Then intensely, he seemed to dislike me intensely. So again, here are the examples. So these are the examples of adverb of degrees. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छे से समझ आई होगी. Thank you so much.